Hello, this is Shep here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. In front of us today is a 1972 Chevrolet Suburban. It's a three-door Suburban, four-wheel drive. It's received a total restoration. During that restoration, received a nice upgrade as well. It now has the 5.9 Cummins turbo diesel in it. So powerhouse. It's got the additional complete the look, give it the look, the domed hood. So real sweet driving machine. It's got that 5.9 is mated to a 700 R4 overdrive transmission. It's got a 12-inch rear end, solid axle. The front is a Dana 44 front end with power disc brakes up front, sitting on a 3-inch lift. We'll jump into the interior, but it's a good spot to talk about some of the interior. Did receive some interior and these running boards from a Cadillac Escalade. So well put together in the sense that those puddle lights come right on. We'll finish with the exterior here. Imagine I'll go through it more than once, but a really quality paint job. It's seen some miles since restoration, so a few small dings or scratches, little chips shouldn't be too big of a surprise. There's one right there, but certainly no heavy damage throughout. Nice looking front end, nice paint, and with that paint as well, what I'm seeing is just a quality job. You don't see signs of poor prep as far as any sort of shrinkage on the clear coat, orange peel. This was completed, best guess, about 4 years ago, so you've got plenty of time to have poor body work kind of come unwound. So it's definitely proven the test of time. No cracking anywhere, anything like that. So jump back to the interior. The interior did pick up the seats from a Cadillac Escalade. So rather than just the seats being placed in there, everything is hooked up. And you've got all the power, the lumbar that goes along with it. You've got the original door panels, door cards, super groovy. Got good photos of the headliner, but the headliner's tight, no sagging or drooping as well. Center console from the same Escalade, little hand belt portion right there, all metal, and you've got a screen. This has Bluetooth in it. We'll keep showing off the interior, and we'll go over more as we're doing the test drive. But you have Bluetooth, satellite radio, XM, reverse camera, navigation, all in there as well. So it is the 3-door. Puddle lights working on those running boards. So you've got a roll down window over there but no door, but 2 captain's chairs. So seating for 4, seatbelts for 4, and then as many kids as you can throw back there as you want. All right, I would do that, but I'm in Idaho. And my kids know to deal with it. But no seats back here, so best to consider this seating for 4. But a lot of room. Front door just shut for us. That is a good-sized tailgate coming down. A lot of room for gear, dogs, storage, etc. Spare tires there. Wood on on the underside. I'll do underside photos. The metal's been treated. It's gorgeous. It's just like the rest of the car here. And that does have a nice firm latch to it. That door, you kind of got to pop. Alright, didn't plan this out, but bear with me here.